Hello, my dear kids. Hope you all are fine. So let's start today's video with the chapter Air and Water. This video features all the fill in the blanks which I have covered for the chapter Air and Water. I'm sure if you go with this fill in the blanks again and again, it will surely help you to cover up the entire chapter for your environmental studies syllabus. So let's start. Number 1. Polluted air will make us dash. The answer will be sick. That means polluted air makes us sick. Number 2. Dash is all around us. Any idea? Yes, the answer is air. Air is all around us. Number 3. Trees and plants make the air dash and dash. What do trees and plants do? Trees and plants make the air fresh and cool. Number 4. Dash air harms our environment. Any guess? Yes, the correct answer is polluted air harms our environment. Number 5. Dash is the most important source of water. What is the answer? Any guess? Yes, the answer is rain is the most important source of water. Now let us come to fill in the blank 6. Places where the temperature is low, the water dash in the form of dash. That means the water freezes in the form of ice. Number 7. In nature, water keeps changing its dash. That means water keeps changing its form from solid to liquid and again from liquid to gas. That means water keeps changing its form. Now come to fill in the blanks 8. Dash live in water. Yes, I hope everyone knows it's fish live in water. Number 9. Humans, animals and plants need dash and dash to live. What do we need to live? We need air and water to live. Number 10. Both dash and dash activities pollute the water. Answer is both human and animal activities pollute the water. The more we do activities on the rivers or on the water, it pollutes the water. Number 11. River water is dash in the mountain. The answer is river water is clean in the mountain. Number 12. Burning of dash and dash pollutes the air. The answer is burning of wood and garbage pollutes the air. The more you burn wood and garbage, it pollutes the air. Number 13. Cigarette smoking makes the air dash. Any idea, children? Cigarette smoking makes the air dirty. The more we use cigarettes, it pollutes the air. Number 14. Dash keeps changing its form through water cycle. So what keeps changing its form through water cycle? Yes, my dear kids, it's water. Water keeps changing its form through water cycle. Number 15. Dash the water makes the water pure. Any idea, kids? What makes the water pure? Yes, it is boiling. If you boil the water, it makes the water pure to drink. Now come to fill in the blanks 16. There can be no dash on earth without water. The answer is there can be no life on earth without water. If there is no water, there can be no life. That means no life can survive on the earth. Number 17. The water in ponds, lakes, rivers, seas and oceans gets heated up by the dash. Now how can the water gets heated up? It gets heated up By the heat of the sun. So the answer is sun. Now come to fill in the blanks. 18. 22nd March is celebrated as dash day. The answer is World Water Day. That means World Water Day is celebrated on 22nd March. Thanks for watching, my kids. If you like the video, do hit a like, share to your friends and subscribe to my channel for further updates.